Looks like a brushed motor in there. Alright. Got these little things. Pack. God knows what that is. There's 3 batteries in there, so 3 of them. Guessing how you charge it, and that is your connector. What goes onto the other end of it here. Inside, got a little printed circuit board. You can see it near that. Okay. There's little gears and stuff down there. Where is it? See if I can get my finger on it. Yeah, gears there. Can't see back there, but the motor is down there, which obviously spins on that gear, which spins the gear above, which I was just spinning my finger on. So if I turn this wheel, my finger up here, should see the motor spinning. A bit locked. There we go. That's spin. Yeah, look. There we go. And the propeller's actually spinning on top, so that's a good sign. Inside here, we've got 3 18650s. 18650s are batteries, so all wrapped up inside of this. You'll have 3 of them binded together, and then this is a really good indicator because now you can work out what the total voltage is required to run this helicopter. So 3 times 3.7. Quick math. So it's 11.1 volts. I think that would be a 3S battery. One 3S, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I could stick a 3S battery in there. Just slide it in that slot. See if I can have a look. Yep. So here we go. One 3S battery, 11.1 volts. That's 3S. See if that slides in there first. Oh, fits in there nicely as well. Looks like it's made for it. And then all that's required is that connection needs to turn into a Dean's connection, so I can connect these two together to give it. I need to get that to that.